Hello everyone, I'm Ratna from India. I have completed my bachelor's in medicine and surgery from Mysore Medical College and Research Institute, India. Later, I underwent 3 years of family medicine training in St. Philomena's Hospital, Bangalore, and now I'm a board certified family medicine specialist. I started my career as medical officer in BEL Hospital, later promoted to senior medical officer. I moved to Sweden to pursue Masters in Public Health in Lund University. This is CRC, my campus. This is an extraordinary opportunity for me, and right now I am studying with talented students from different parts of the world, and I have a privilege of being taught by reputed faculty with enormous wisdom and knowledge. During our health policy course, we had to write a blog on health topic. This was an assignment. However, this sparked interest in me on the topic science communication. How to bridge the gap between scientist and public? Well, in the modern era of technology, it's very simple. Zoom call allows direct interaction of researchers with public, enabling public to interact with researchers and clarify their doubts. This efficiently bypasses misinformation and misinterpretation by the media and social media. With this aim of bridging the gap between researchers and public, I conducted 2 Zoom sessions with my cousins, relatives, friends. We discussed about misleading health information in social media. About 20 participants actively participated, and the sessions were in local Indian languages, Telugu and Kannada. We discussed about why we believe misinformation and why do we spread misinformation. And each session lasted for 1.5 hours. I received a positive feedback from the participants. So I made a short introductory video addressing the intentions of the seminars and invited few more family members to collaborate and formed a public health information group in WhatsApp. Today the group has 36 participants. I am also currently working on cartoon stories of public health to promote health in children. This is the clipping from the story of James Lind. In future, I look forward to conduct more Zoom sessions and include variety of topics such as 1000 days of child nutrition, parenting and child psychology, nutrition, myths and facts. I plan to invite my fellow doctors, researchers as guest speakers. I aim to educate at least 100 people through these sessions. I conclude by saying that science isn't finished until it's communicated.